In the whirlwind of daily life, are you tired of feeling like a frazzled chef, a taxi driver, and a short order cook all rolled into one? Do grocery store runs leave you feeling more like a scavenger than a shopper? Do you often find yourself asking, what is for dinner, or worse, what do you want for dinner? Amidst the chorus of, I don't know, from your family members. Are those unanswered questions about dinner creating tension in your household? If you said yes, take a deep breath. It's time for a change, and a family meal planner might be just what you need. Let's discuss how a family meal planner can change your life. A family meal planner is more than just a kitchen companion. It is a lifesaver for busy families. But beyond its practical uses, this unassuming tool holds the key to transforming your relationship with food, your family, and even your stress levels. So let's dive deeper into the surprising ways a family meal planner can change your life. You spend less time deciding what to eat, which means more time to enjoy your meals together. No more battles of, I don't like this, or I don't want that. With a family meal planner, everyone has a voice in the planning process. They get to choose meals they like and even learn to appreciate new dishes by giving them a try. This shared responsibility helps children develop a sense of ownership over their meals, making them more likely to try new foods and become adventurous eaters. Plus, it is a fantastic way to expose your kids to diverse cuisines and flavors, broadening their palates from an early age. By involving your kids in the meal planning process, you are not only reducing stress, but also creating lasting memories and fostering a love for food and family that will stay with them for a lifetime. So many families struggle with picky eating, but with a family meal planner, you can turn mealtime into a fun, engaging experience for your kids. And it is not just about the food. Mealtime is a chance for families to connect, share stories, and strengthen bonds. When you involve your kids in meal planning, they look forward to mealtimes. It becomes a highlight of their day, a time to unwind and connect with loved ones. A family meal planner makes it easy to create special family moments around food, turning every meal into an opportunity for bonding and creating lasting memories. Planning meals as a family is a great way to teach kids about nutrition. They learn about balanced diets, portion sizes, and the importance of trying new foods. A family meal planner makes it easy to incorporate fruits, vegetables, and other healthy foods into meals, while also allowing for occasional treats. Kids are more likely to eat healthy when they're involved in the meal planning process. They are also more likely to understand the importance of making healthy choices. With a family meal planner, you can instill healthy eating habits in your kids that will last a lifetime. If you are constantly battling with your kids about what to eat, meal planning as a family can help put an end to those battles. When kids are involved in the meal planning process, they are more likely to try new foods and be open to trying different cuisines. This can help expand their palates and make mealtime less stressful for everyone involved. Mealtime is a chance for families to connect, share stories, and strengthen bonds. It becomes a highlight of their day, a time to unwind and connect with loved ones. A family meal planner makes it easy to create special family moments around food, turning every meal into an opportunity for bonding and creating lasting memories. We all lead busy lives, and sometimes cooking a healthy meal can feel like a daunting task. A family meal planner simplifies the process by providing structure and organization. With a meal planner, you can streamline your grocery shopping, prep meals ahead of time, and reduce the stress of wondering what is for dinner. This allows you to enjoy cooking again and savor the moments you spend creating and sharing meals with your family. By planning meals ahead of time, you can reduce the stress of daily mealtime battles and ensure that everyone is fueled and ready to take on the world. Do not let meal planning stress take over your life. Get organized with a family meal planner and reclaim your time for what matters most. Imagine it's Friday afternoon and you're already feeling that familiar dread about the weekend. What is for dinner? Debates, but from now on, totally different vibe. Thanks to your awesome family meal planner book, you've got a solid game plan for the entire week. You know exactly what is on the menu and when, and guess what? Your older kids are jumping in to help with prepping ingredients and cooking. Meal times have transformed from stress fests into cherished moments in your family routine. The best part? Your kids are actually excited about dinner. They love the predictability and the chance to bond over delicious food. With your trusty family meal planner, you have turned those hectic meal times into happy times. It has been a total game changer, and honestly, you can't even picture going back to the chaos of the old ways. How cool is that? What really makes this planner special is how practical it is. There's plenty of room to jot down family favorites, so everyone gets a say in what is for dinner. Plus, the bonus section is perfect for extra notes, whether it's for grocery lists or special reminders. It is the ultimate sidekick for busy families who want to keep things organized and enjoy stress-free mealtimes. So, why not take the plunge? Elevate your meal planning experience with the Family Meal Planner book today. You will wonder how you ever managed without it. Imagine it's Friday afternoon and you're already feeling that familiar dread about the weekend. What is for dinner debates? But this year, totally different vibe. Thanks to already having a meal plan, you have got solid pre-selected choices for the entire week. You know exactly what is on the menu and when. And guess what? Your older kids are jumping in to help with prepping ingredients and cooking. Meal times have transformed from stress fests into cherished moments in your family routine. The best part? Your kids are actually excited about dinner. They love the predictability and the chance to bond over delicious food. With your trusty family meal planner, you have turned those hectic meal times into happy times. It has been a total game changer, and honestly, you cannot even picture going back to the chaos of the old ways. There is nothing quite like the feeling of knowing that every family member is nourished and ready to conquer their day. As you watch your children grow and thrive, you realize that the secret to their well-being lies in the power of planning. Now go ahead, look below in the description and comments for the link to a family meal planner my team has designed for busy parents, and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.